Thank you for allowing RoadReady Solutions to be a part of your regulatory compliance solution. This tutorial discusses how to transfer logs to the FMCSA or safety officer during a roadside inspection or audit. To transfer the logs, tap Tools, Inspect Logs. You have the option of using the 4-digit code set up by your administrator if you wish to lock the device to the next screen so the user can't navigate to anywhere else on the mobile device, or not. This is the data that's required to be displayed during the log presentation during a roadside inspection. The officer is likely to ask you to send the log to them. Tap Send Log here. They will provide a code to enter in the code field here. They will 99% of the time ask you to transfer the data via web services, and then tap Send. Upon completion, tap Back. Tell the system you're done with the process and you return to normal logging. Again, thank you for allowing RoadReady Solutions to be a part of your regulatory compliance solution.